What's up guys, I'm Zane and today I'm going to show you how to remove or hide message button on Facebook. So if you want to prevent strangers from messaging you on Facebook, this feature is going to be so suitable for you. And even if you don't want to get any messages, you can also turn on this feature. So now in order to do that, you should go now and open your Messenger application on your phone. And after that, go and click on these three lines on the top left corner. Then go and choose the gear icon on the top right corner right here. And now I have to scroll down till you find privacy and safety. Click on it. Then here in the who can reach you section, you can find this option right here, message delivery. So tap on it. Now go to friends of friends on Facebook. Then what you should do right now is to simply click on don't receive requests right here. Then choose update settings. And by this way, you will not get any message requests from strangers. And if you have a friend that you do not want him to send you messages, you can simply unfriend him. And by this way, only your friends will be able to message you. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.